how to add payment method in Lensa. Ready to unlock all the cool features in Lensa, but need to add a payment detail first. Let's get it done in just a few taps. First things first, let's open the Lensa app. Once you're inside it, just tap on the setting icon which is in bottom right corner. It's over here, just tap on it. And here, you won't be seeing a direct option for adding a payment. However, the main aim of adding a payment method is to subscribe the app. So let's tap on the subscription, which is right over here. Again, tap on the subscribe now. And there you will be provided an option for adding a payment. Just tap on the reliable method or the method that is easier for you. There's an option for add credit or debit card, add PayPal, or redeem the code. For example, I want to add a PayPal, simply tap on it. And there will be asked to add your email. Just follow the instruction that is provided with the Lensa app. And after you have followed all the on-screen prompts, you are all done. And that's it. You have successfully added a payment method. Simple, right? Now you are all set to start creating. Did this help you out? Let me know with the quick thumbs up. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.